So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it is inspection day. My name is Cameron, and first inspection I'm going to do is hive number 2. This is the hive that last week I removed the queen to stop the hive from swarming. And so the goal today is to see if they have made some queen cups in order to replace that queen. So let's take a look and see how the ladies have done. Hello ladies, how are you? Just checking for beetles. No hive beetles. Quickly, just have a quick look at how they're doing with the honey, and then I'll go down into the brood. So they've just got that worked out. Let's see how you're doing, ladies. Pretty sure this should be capped off. All of it. Pretty sure it should be. Well, nearly. That one's all capped. And that one isn't all capped. I bet them to, let me just put you there 1 second, ladies. Let me look at this next one. I'm pretty sure this is going to be capped both sides. No, it's not. Okay, well, carry on, ladies. There's a hive beetle. All right, let's see if you've made some queen cells. Ladies. All right. Let's see what you're up to, ladies. You packed. That I can tell. Let me see. All right, ladies. Let's see how you're doing. We've had plenty of babies hatched out. We're full of bees again. All the way at the edge. Lots and lots of brood. And it's beautiful brood. If they had a good week with pollen and nectar over on number 5, I'm pretty sure we'll find fresh brood in there. You got honey. There's a capped queen cup. Beautiful. First one. I'm going to put you back in because I don't want to damage that queen cup. What's the more beautiful brood? I know. Sorry, ladies. I didn't mean to drop the GoPro on you. So one queen cup so far on the frame. A couple there at the bottom, but nothing in them. Lots of beautiful, beautiful brood. We've got at least one sealed queen cup so far in the top frame, and it's still jam-packed full of brood. It is. I'd like to see a couple more queen cups. There's one there, and that is capped off. These ladies. These will have a queen in 2 weeks. I'm not even going to go down into the brood chamber. There's the third one, capped off. As you see there in the middle, looks like a little peanut. We've got 3 capped off, so I'm happy that they're going to do fine. I'm not going to go any further into the hive. They're doing great. Ladies, you're doing great. Out of that. So 3 queen cells, all capped off. So I'm completely happy that these ladies are going to be fine. You've got plenty of honey, plenty of bees, and now they have 3 queen cups, at least 3 queen cups that I know of. So they will requeen, and hopefully we'll get them strong, good strong queen to overwinter. We will see. I'm happy with that. I should be able to harvest some honey next week. They're pretty full on that top super. Ladies, you did a great job. And I will see you in a week. fly back in. So that's hive number 2. Like I said, I removed the queen. We made an artificial swarm, and now I'm going to go into the artificial swarm and see how busy they've been creating comb. As a new beekeeper, I don't have any drawn comb, and drawn comb for beekeepers is like gold. That, because I removed the queen, if I would have had drawn comb in the hive already, she would have immediately started to lay. So drawn comb, like I say, is like gold for beekeepers, but as a new beekeeper, I don't have any yet, so I just got to work with the bees that I have. So let's see if they've drawn out any comb for our overwintered queen. So I gave them 2 frames of, I'm not expecting to see anything in the top, but I will take a quick glance. No, just wandering around. I gave them 2 frames of dropping things. I gave them 2 frames of brood. So let's see. If they've drawn anything enough out for the queen to lay on. And the answer is not yet. Well, that's nearly ready. That's 85% drawn. Excuse me, ladies. Excuse me. Thank you. So 85% drawn on that one. And 95% drawn on that one. She'll start. I'll find brood next week in there. So they're doing absolutely fine. Well done, ladies. You're doing a sterling job. Just going to smoke you down a little bit so I don't squish you. So that's hive number 2. 3 queen cells, 3 capped queen cells, so they'll have a queen within 2 weeks. And then hive number 5, I've just about drawn out 2 combs, 2 frames. So she'll start laying. They'll be brooding there next week. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. My name is Cameron. This is Bee Street Bees, and we will see you next week.